You try it and then let me know. I turned 31 last year, and actually, to be fair, I think ever since I turned 30, or should I say like 28, I've been focusing so much on my skin, my skincare routine, making sure that my skin looks as good as it can look for as long as it can look. Now, to be fair, I don't have the worst fine lines, but ever since I turned 30, I've been more mindful about how I can take care of my skin, prolong my skin, enhance my skin. So while for the most part, I've always looked to skincare products, so think serums, toners, essences, creams, treatments, facials and things like that. Since turning 31, I have been looking more towards tools and things that I can use alongside products that can help me achieve my dream skin, and that is where I introduced today's amazing product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the L&L Skin Mami. How cool is this? Luckily for me and luckily for you guys, this was actually gifted to me by L&L Skin. I've been using this since Christmas, but before we get into using this, I'm going to read a bit of background on the product as well as on the brand. L&L Skin originated from the Japanese brand L&L Skin, and they work on just creating products that help target problems that women face with their skin. So think early signs of aging, dark spots, hypopigmentation. They say, after rigorous market research, we discovered a method for restoring and adding glow to women's delicate skin. After 20 years of scientific research and 15 years of development, L&L Skin is dedicated to vitalizing your skin and muscles, relaxing your skin, promoting blood circulation, increasing skin tension naturally, and creating firm skin. They use cutting-edge technology combined with traditional methods to make your skin glow. Their comprehensive upgrades delay aging, maintain 360-degree contact with the skin, releasing the fullest vitality of your skin and providing a focused improvement on skin's texture. No chemicals are needed to be natural. Okay, let's get into talking about this product. So this is the Mami Hot and Cold Beauty Device. This is a facial and neck massage tool, and they describe this as a hot and cold therapy beauty device with LED lights to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles around the face, neck and shoulders and help to achieve firmer, smoother skin. This is a great solution for loss of firmness and elasticity, dullness and uneven texture, fine lines and wrinkles, and this is good for normal, dry, combination and oily skin types. So let's get into the actual tool and what it is and what it's about. I love how easy this thing is to use. This uses hot and cold therapy, blue and red light therapy to help do certain things for your skin. When it's in the blue mode, it helps to tighten pores and to calm and revive your skin. When it's on the red mode or the warm mode, that can go up to, I think it's 40 degrees or 45 degrees. That helps to improve lymphatic circulation, your blood circulation, and it helps the skin to absorb the products. The coolest thing about this is that if you don't want to have to think too much about using it and you just want to go about your routine, you turn this on and it will automatically switch to the next setting for you. So when you first turn this on, it starts off normal and you basically just go like up your face, around your eyes, you do the other side, you do your forehead, then you bring it up the neck, you can go like around the shoulders, on the arms, and you do that for 3 minutes. Once the 3 minutes is up, it automatically switches to the blue cool setting, and then you repeat the same moves again. And then once those 3 minutes are up, then it automatically switches to the red warm setting, and then once it's finished, it will turn itself off. I think that makes it so convenient to use because it means you don't have to think about it. You can literally just like sit on the sofa watching TV and just go about your day. I like to use this literally sat in bed. I've got a Himalayan salt rock lamp next to my bed. So at night before I go to bed, after I've done my skincare routine, I'll get into bed, and while I'm reading my book, I'll turn on my salt rock lamp and I will just use this while I'm reading. 3 minutes, it will turn to blue. I continue to read, continue to massage. 3 minutes, it will turn to red, continue to massage, and then after 3 minutes like that, it will turn off. So in a total of 9 minutes, you get a full, let's just say, facial. It also helps to wind me down because guys, there is really nothing quite like having a face massage while you're reading with a salt rock lamp and you're really like chill and you're like really like winding down. You literally have the best night's sleep. I swear I've had the best night's sleep since I've been using this. I think because it does massage and it is really relaxing, and then also my skin feels good, and it's like, it's a whole thing. If you guys need, you try it and then let me know. And it's great because ordinarily I would just be sat in bed reading, so it's nice that I can be sat in bed reading whilst I massage my face. These days I'm all about habit stacking and being able to do multiple things at once, and I love that this enables me to do that. Also, before I had this, I was using a gua sha, which I personally love a gua sha. I think gua shas are really great and they're really cool, nice, like convenient things that you can have. And again, I used to gua sha while I would read at night. But I think there's just something so like cool and innovative about using a product like this that kind of acts like a gua sha, but it actively, one, massages your skin, and so all of the products that you've put on can penetrate a bit deeper, but it gives you a lovely like face massage, a lovely neck massage, lovely like miniature like shoulder massage. Plus it uses cold and warm therapy to help properly like activate your skin, tighten your pores, increase blood flow and circulation, and it vibrates. You kind of get almost like a 3-in-1, 6-in-1 kind of benefit just from using one tool, whereas with the gua sha you don't get like those added extra benefits. It also, where did I put my stand? So it also comes with this great stand. This is a charging dock. On my bedside table, I just have this sit in there. Like I said, I like to keep this on my bedside table next to my Himalayan salt rock lamp. So when I'm sat in bed, I just like pick this up and then I massage. Usually with these kind of products, you need to use a specific kind of gel or a specific kind of cream. But with the Mami, the beautiful, most convenient thing about this, and we're all about convenience, aren't we guys? The most convenient thing about this is you don't need to use a special cream, a special lotion, a special serum. You basically just use your regular skincare products and then you can use this afterwards. So I will do an essence, a serum, a cream, and then I will just put this on. And I just find it so convenient that I don't have to change out my skincare routine to use this. I can just do what I've been doing and use this on its own, straight on my skin. Also, you can just wipe this clean with just a clean cloth, or with your sleeve you can wipe it down. This is not waterproof though, so you don't want to get any water on it or anything like that. You want to just use like a dry cloth to clean it. So the other night I did a face mask and this got a lot of creamy like face mask cream on it, but then I just wiped it off with my towel and it's been good as new. So a couple of things that I've noticed since I've started using this. One, actually the main thing that I've noticed, which is the most surprising thing to me, is I've noticed how soft my skin feels. Like, it's so crazy. Like, my skin feels so soft, so smooth to the touch. I've noticed that where I use this in the evening and then I do my skincare the next morning and I apply my makeup the next morning, my makeup goes on so much nicer these days, and I don't know what it is because I've really not changed my skincare routine at all, but I think this has just helped to just really even out my texture on my face and help to make everything a lot smoother, as well as like help to pull the skin up, which is why my makeup goes on nicer. So that's a nice like knock-on effect, which I wasn't really expecting it. I know it said that it does help with texture, but when I first used this, I wasn't expecting it to help with my texture. I was mostly just expecting it to like lift and tone my face, but it's made my skin so smooth, and I don't know if it's because it means that it's making my products work more, most likely, I don't know, but this is so good. Oh, one thing that I should definitely mention, which I've been thinking about a lot since I've been using this, tech neck. We are in the age of devices now. At this point, there is no going back unless we have some kind of technology storm and Armageddon hits. We spend so much time looking down at our screens. We're like always like so scrunched up. Our necks are just suffering a lot. But I've also noticed that my neck is just feeling a lot tighter, and maybe I'm a bit too young to properly have like neck wrinkles, but since I've been using this, I've noticed that my neck looks a lot firmer. So again, if you are worried about tech neck, you're concerned that you're always like looking down, this is really great because you basically just like do that like up your neck and it just massages your neck using blue light and red light therapy. So literally the best of both worlds. You really have that whilst it's vibrating as well. And obviously if you apply product to your neck, which you should be doing, we do not skip the neck, we never skip the neck. So when you also have your products on your neck and you use this, it's a double whammy. Bonus points if you have a specific neck and décolletage product. This will just make it work wonders. Literally so amazing. So this has so many amazing benefits. Now, because this was gifted to me, I have a gift for you because it's only fair. So if you want to check out the Mami by L&L Skin, I have a 35% off discount for you. If you use code ALICE35, then you can get 35% off So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried the Mami before? Have you tried L&L Skin before? I have never tried them before, but I love trying out new things. Like I said, especially since turning 31, I'm more looking for products that will help with my skin. And I think the thing I love most about this tool and what I love most about L&L Skin is J Beauty is just... J Beauty is really up there, and I've used other J Beauty brands like Clé de Peau, and I've really enjoyed using those products, and I think those products are absolutely amazing. And so I look to places like Japan for inspiration and tips and advice on how to achieve great skin no matter your age, how to achieve great skin as you enter into the next phase of aging. So that is, I think, one of the biggest reasons why I also love this as well, because you know that there's a lot of history, innovation and technology that has gone into creating this device. So let me know if you guys have used this. I would love to know. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Tell me all the things. Let's discuss. Also, if you have any recommendations for other skincare tools, skincare products, let me know, because like I said, I'm in this era of just experimenting and trying to find a bunch of different stuff. So please do let me know. As always, this will be linked down below in case you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and in the meantime I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.